Welcome back to TradeIQ, the ultimate hub for traders aiming for success. I'm here to reveal the top 7 TradingView indicators that you absolutely must know to finally tilt the odds in your favor this year. In the trading world, staying up to date can mean the difference between a missed chance and a massive win. And let's be honest, nobody wants to be left in the dark, watching others rake in profits. That's why understanding these 7 indicators is not just important. It's crucial for your trading success in 2024. These indicators were examined based on factors such as accuracy, reliability, ease of use, and their ability to provide valuable insights into market trends and price movements. Interested in finding out which indicator ranks first? Stay tuned as I unveil these magical tools one by one. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Building on the excitement from our introduction, let's dive into the indicator number 7. Once logged into your TradingView account, click on the indicators at the top and search for Support and Resistance MTF. Select this one right here. This groundbreaking tool is engineered to revolutionize your trading experience. What sets this indicator apart is its operation across 3 distinct time frames, offering you a comprehensive view of market dynamics. With this innovative tool, you're not just looking at support and resistance in a single frame. You're getting a multi-dimensional perspective that's crucial for making informed, profitable trading decisions in today's market. What sets this indicator apart is its ability to seamlessly integrate and analyze support and resistance levels across multiple timeframes simultaneously. In the indicator's inputs, you can select up to 3 different time frame levels to be displayed on the chart. This indicator also provides signals for support and resistance breaks and retests. A bullish retest occurs when price revisits a key support level without exceeding it. A bearish retest, on the other hand, happens when price revisits a resistance level without closing above it. A breakout takes place when the price crosses and closes above or below the key levels. Having this indicator in your strategy will provide additional confluences about price action, which will result in better trading decisions. Continuing from our exploration of support and resistance by Flux charts, let's dive into another secret weapon in the trader's arsenal: order blocks with real-time Fibs by QuantView. This comprehensive tool ingeniously combines the concepts of order blocks with Fibonacci retracement, creating a powerhouse for traders. It's designed to be a formidable asset in identifying not just entry and exit points, but also potential target areas in the market. The fusion of order blocks and Fibonacci levels provides a unique perspective, allowing traders to pinpoint high-probability trading opportunities with greater precision. To better understand the indicator, we first need to define an order block. An order block in trading refers to an area on the chart in which it is believed a substantial number of orders collected over a short period. Typically, these are identified as a range of consecutive aggressive bullish or bearish bars. They represent areas where significant market players have entered the market, creating a footprint of their activity. Fibonacci retracements, on the other hand, are popular among technical traders, based on the idea that markets often retrace a predictable portion of a move, after which they continue to move in the original direction. Once an order block is detected, the indicator will automatically draw Fibonacci levels and continue to update those levels in real time until the user-selected retracement level has been hit or a new, more relevant order block has been found. Instead of using every Fibonacci level for retracement, you can use the golden ratio, 0.618. This way, the chart will look much clearer. Here's an example of how you would use this indicator in live trading. Let's say you're looking to take a long position in an uptrend. The first step would be to wait for a bullish order block to be formed. Since big players have bought the stock here, which resulted in this price increase, they'll eventually take the market back to the order block to fill the rest of the orders. The price will often retest the order block or a Fibonacci level during such a retracement. In this case, it is the 0.618 level the price returned to. With this magic indicator, you can identify these sniper entries and act on them accordingly. Save it to your collection, and let's move on to our next indicator. Those of you who like trading with price patterns will definitely find this indicator useful. This tool is called Autoart Patterns by Trendoscope. This indicator is at the forefront of advanced chart pattern recognition technology. It represents a significant leap in the algorithmic identification and classification of chart patterns, automating what was once a complex and time-consuming process. The Autoart Patterns tool simplifies the task of recognizing key chart patterns, making it accessible and efficient for traders of all levels. A powerful strategy with this tool involves combining its automated pattern recognition with your existing market analysis. By allowing the Autoart Patterns indicator to highlight potential breakout or reversal patterns, you can then apply additional technical analysis, such as assessing volume or using other indicators like moving averages to confirm these patterns. This approach enhances decision-making, providing a comprehensive view of potential trading opportunities. So, as we delve deeper into our 2024 must-know indicators, Autoart Patterns by Trendoscope emerges as a crucial tool for traders aiming to refine their strategies and stay one step ahead in the ever-evolving trading landscape. Continuing from the Autoart Patterns by Trendoscope, let's delve into another vital tool for traders, the Trader's Trend Dashboard by Alex Fuchs, a versatile indicator available on TradingView. This innovative tool is tailored for traders seeking an intuitive and customizable approach to trend analysis. The Trader's Trend Dashboard stands out with its flexibility and time frame selection, allowing you to choose and adjust time frames based on your unique trading style and strategy preferences. The dashboard simplifies trend interpretation by displaying green and red symbols, indicating the relationship between two moving averages. This straightforward visualization makes it easier to grasp market trends at a glance. A compelling strategy using the Trader's Trend Dashboard involves integrating it with other technical analysis tools for a layered approach. For example, you can use this dashboard to identify the overall trend direction and then apply tools like the RSI, MACD, or even the indicators from this video for confirmation and determining entry or exit points. This multi-tool strategy can enhance your market understanding, leading to more informed and potentially profitable trading decisions. Third in our rankings is Flux Chart's Order Blocks indicator, which is super useful for profitable trading in 2024. This cutting-edge indicator is designed to revolutionize the way traders view and utilize order blocks. What makes this tool stand out is its ability to render order blocks with their volumetric information, providing a deeper insight into market movements. The volumized order blocks indicator is not only about identifying bullish and bearish order blocks, but also offers a high level of customization. Traders can adjust detection, invalidation, and style settings to align with their unique trading strategies. A strategic approach with the order blocks indicator involves focusing on volumetric order block retests. This means identifying significant order blocks that are likely to act as key support or resistance levels and watching for price action to retest these areas. The volumetric data adds an extra layer of validation, ensuring that these order blocks carry significant market weight. Save this indicator for later, and let's unveil the second essential tool on my list. This script is called the Orbee Algo. The Orbee Algo, where Orbee stands for Opening Range Breakout, is an innovative indicator designed to enhance your trading strategy. This tool specializes in analyzing the market trend in the current session and provides crucial trading signals including buy-sell, take-profit, and stop-loss. The Orbee Algo is a fine example of how advanced algorithms can simplify complex trading strategies for real-time applications. The algorithm has a good win ratio on the Solana 15-minute price chart. The total profit generated is also shown on the backtesting panel, along with wins, losses, and total days traded. A potent strategy using the Orbee Algo involves capitalizing on the opening range breakout technique. You can set the indicator to identify the high and low points of the market's opening range and then execute trades when the price breaks out of this range. This strategy is particularly effective at capturing early momentum and can be combined with volume analysis to confirm the breakout strength. For risk management, the provided take-profit and stop-loss signals can be crucial in locking in gains and minimizing losses. Rounding off our exploration of the top TradingView indicators for 2024, we arrive at a true standout, my personal TradeIQ Toolkit indicator. This all-in-one tool rises above the others we've discussed, not just in terms of functionality, but also in its approach to modern trading needs. What sets this tool apart is its holistic approach to market analysis, providing traders with an all-encompassing solution. Unlike other indicators that focus on specific aspects of trading, TradeIQ offers a multifaceted approach. It combines price action analysis, trend identification, and volumetric analysis, offering a more comprehensive view of the market than any single indicator like Orbee Algo or order blocks. It includes features like supply and demand analysis, trade entries with targets and stop losses, and trend lines with breakouts. Additionally, it integrates advanced concepts such as ghost order blocks, which predict future support and resistance levels, a feature not commonly found in other indicators. Despite its advanced capabilities, TradeIQ is designed to be accessible to traders of all skill levels. Its settings can be customized to fit individual trading styles, making it a versatile tool for both novice and experienced traders. With the integration of multi-time frame analysis and a market bias dashboard, the indicator provides traders with a strategic edge. It allows for better informed decisions, whether you're a day trader, swing trader, or long-term investor. In a trading world that's constantly evolving with market complexities and technological advancements, the TradeIQ Toolkit emerges as an essential source of clarity and efficiency. It empowers traders to navigate market dynamics with confidence, backed by a suite of tools designed to maximize profitability and minimize risk. Try the TradeIQ indicator risk-free by clicking the first link in the description and be among hundreds of traders who already profit from it.